Hey guys, today in this video, I am going to tell you how you can delete apps on MacBook. So in order to delete an app from your MacBook, you have to open apps from right here, the launchpad. And once when you're here, if you have to delete a specific app, what you need to do is you have to click and hold it. So you can see that when you do that, these app icon will start shaking. So you can delete them from right here if you want to delete them. For example, if I have to delete this, or this, I'm going to click here and then it will give me this option to delete it. I can press delete and it will be deleted right away. But you can see there are some apps that do not have this cross on them. So what do we have to do for them? Uh, Please remember that there are two kind of apps right here on this MacBook and on every MacBook that you own. One is that sort of app which you download from the App Store, which can be seen right here. Some of the apps you have downloaded from the App Store, but there are some other apps which you download right away from the web, from your web browser. So these are two different kinds of apps that require different forms of deletion. For example, if the app is downloaded from the App Store, it will have this cross and you can just click here and delete it. But if there is any other app that you have downloaded from, your browser, you need to delete them in another way. And that way is you have to go to Finder and then you have to go to Applications right here. You have to double click on Finder and go to Applications. And once when you're here, you can delete it right away by double clicking and then move to bin. If you do that, it will be deleted right away. So these were the two ways you can delete applications on your MacBook. I hope this video was informative. Please do like the video and subscribe the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next video.